Body shaming is bad, is it? Yes, I've seen plenty of videos, plenty of people talking about people body shame. That's bad, that's not good. But is it them or is it you? Body shaming is making you feel less and taking away your real identity. That's when you either stop being yourself or put yourself in a closet. It's not restricted to a skinny person or a mid-sized person or a plus-size person or because of a skin tone difference. Because believe me, even the perfect body image that we have in our mind must also be going through some insecurities of their own, because there is no one that's perfect. Our insecurities actually help others who body shame. Yes, I may sound cruel, but true. We always talk about how he or she is body shaming me. But aren't you doing that with yourself every day when you look at yourself? I have been through days when I was too skinny and was told I am a thick little mouse, not strong enough to maybe even survive when I was born. I have been healthy mid-sized woman who has been told you have too much thighs for you to wear shorts. You were perfect when you were slim slash skinny. Why did you gain weight? I have been on the both side of the places. Neither am I too dark nor am I too fair. Still I was judged. No, don't buy it. It won't suit you. ये सब गोरे लोगों पर ही अच्छा लगता है. You know why we allowed all that to enter our soul? Because we feel it, that it's true. Somewhere we feel that everything that person said is true. Everyone forgets things that are not important, but we all remember stuff that matters to us, that we know is true about us, that relates to us. So is that person who is body shaming you, or you think that about yourself? There are billions and billions of people who have billions and billions of opinions. Do you really think you can stop each one of them? Well, yes, you can. But why don't you start with yourself? Tell yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm enough, I'm happy, and I need no one to tell me how I look. I, Chetna Gambhir, am a mid-sized woman with thyroid. I have a gaining weight thyroid, and that's when I started gaining weight. I still wear what I feel makes me beautiful, not only outside but also inside. There is no one who can define me better than me. So why don't I define myself as beautiful and powerful? Every single person, whether that's a guy, a girl, or a gay, anyone on earth, stop body shaming yourself and then expect others to not do that, because you are doing it every single morning, looking at yourself in the mirror and telling, oh my god, I have too much of waist, oh my god, I have too much of hips, I look fat, I look too skinny, I look so dark, I have dark circles, I have pimples. Everyone is body shaming themselves before anyone can do that to them. Stop blaming others and stop justifying yourself that that person is saying you are fat, because it will only impact you, affect you if you think that's true. Otherwise, you can easily let it go. So, today, promise yourself that you will love yourself more than anyone could ever love you. And believe me, it will bring a massive positive change in your life, in your thought process, and even in people around you. If you are too confident about yourself, if you think you are comfortable in your body, if you think you are beautiful, you are powerful, believe me, that would be your aura, and no one will come up to you and tell you you are too skinny to wear that, or you are too fat to wear that, or you are too dark to wear that, or you are too fair to wear that. Stop letting people tell you what to do. And that will only happen when you will stop telling yourself. Be confident. Confidence is the key. I think this thing is really overrated and yet we don't understand it. Confidence will tell you that these people who have opinions about your body image does not even matter, because you are enough, you love yourself, and you don't need anyone to tell you that every single day, not even your partner, friend, or parents. Let yourself love you. Let yourself not body shame you.